this is Stephanie and welcome to SY Chinese class. And today we are going to learn some numbers. Well, as you always know that in different countries they use numbers to represent for some special meanings. So did we. In China we always use some special numbers and to express something and even express feelings. So today we are going to learn maybe at least five different numbers meaning. It's more like to combine numbers together, not just a single one. So first of all is 666. Well, what does 6 mean? I think these symbol numbers, most people have already heard it. 666 means awesome, that's so cool, wow. It's more like something to express your feelings and to express 666. For instance, I'll give you the example. Someone can swimming well while you can't swim. So when you watch he was swimming, you can say 666. That's so cool. That's so awesome. That's wow. I can't make it, but you're doing great. That's wonderful, right? Brilliant, cool. So you can use 666. And even for a program, when you are working in the company or maybe when you are working with your partners together and they finished a big program and you think, wow, finally you're doing a great job. That's 666. So that is 666 mean 666. Well, but when you use 666 in Dota or in PUBG games, some games, you tap 666. That means we should leave. We should quit the game. Let's go. So 666 has different meaning between the online games and the real world. So you got that, right? Alright, so second one is 996. I'm not sure if you heard that before, but it's quite famous in China, especially in mainland China. 996 means you will work from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. and also work for 6 per day. Actually, I'm not really sure about the where does these numbers from, but it probably come from some internet company in China. Some leaders says like we should work harder. We should work every day to encourage their staffs to work more. If you work more, you will get more in the future. But this 996 interpreted by online people or interpreted by citizens like we are work too many. For instance, if one person who's working in internet company and the other person was working for only from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. every day and only work for 5 days per week. So when they start the conversation, they can say, okay, my work is more like 996. It will set from the internet company stuff. And another stuff will say, oh, I only work like 955. It's like I work from 9 and at 5 o'clock and I only work 5 days. So that's quite funny, right? Because, sometimes you can't see installed words, see some plain words at the company, but you can use some tricks, use some hint words to express your confidence. Like, I don't want to live in the 996 environment, I want 955 environment. Something like that. That's pretty funny, right? I know. Okay, third one is about 857. So what does 857 mean? I think it starts from the TikTok. In China we call it Douyin. And 957 also represents to the time. Means I will go to club from 9 p.m., come back home at 5 a.m. And then I will go to club every day. So that means 8, 5, 7. From 8 p.m. to 5 a.m. I'm dancing at the club. And I will do it around the week for 7 days. So that means 8, 5, 7. Okay, so I think 8, 5, 7 is more like to describe people who are so into clubbing or like dancing in the nightclub, something like that, and like they never get tired of it. They never get tired of doing it. So if I have a friend who's like dancing every day in the club, I would say, well, she's really into 8, 5, 7. Yeah. Alright, so for the first is 2, 3, 3. What does 2, 3, 3 mean? In China, actually we have some forum before online. So people start to use 2, 3, 3, represents for love, represents for ha 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 ha. So that means love. It's more like showing a funny feeling. Like when you write a review about something online and it looks really funny, I will leave the comments like 2, 3, 3 to represent that's funny, haha. I'm gonna to laugh at it. But you also can use 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, like no limited 3. No limitation, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. No limitation. That represent to it's quite similar with LOL and LMAO. So when you use 2, 3, 3, that represents for LOL. And when you use 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, and that means LMAO. It's like, holy crap, that's so funny, I'm gonna laugh at it, something like that. Well, that's for 2, 3, 3. And last one, the fifth is 5, 5, 5. Triple 5. It's quite similar with 666. I mean, it's funny because we have 666 before, right? But the meaning was totally different. So 555, I have already taught you guys how to say 5 in Chinese, how to pronounce it. It means 5, 5. When people cry in China, we also, it's like our songs more mimic like 5. Pronounce it like 5. It's like, oh, I was so sad. Ooh. So 555 means cry. Means I feel so sad. I'm feeling terrible. But that's not for serious crying. It's way more like to express, okay, you said something, I feel terrible, so I'll say 555, I was so sad. But actually I'm not crying. That's a funny phenomenon, I think. Yeah. And also here's another tips. It's like if you want to say 555, I have some Thai friends, they tell me 555 in their country represents for 666 in my country. The represent for the meaning like 666 in my country is like love. It's like awesome, cool, something like that. It's like laugh loudly. So it has different meanings in different countries, I think, those numbers. Well, that's today's class. Hope you enjoy it, and it's quite funny about those numbers. And this cancel of numbers quite famous in China. We use them a lot more recently, and even people write some songs like 8, 5, 7. We mentioned. So they write the song and also post it online. Most of the people use the song to perform dance and even to represent some like hints, some words they cannot speak out. So yeah, we use some words like these to represent our feelings. If you guys have any questions, can just leave comments and let me know. And if you guys want to learn something new, to learn some specific words, can also leave comments below and let me know. I will record another video for it soon. I hope you guys like this video. Please go to subscribe to the channel and see you next time. Bye!